We interrupt this program to bring you an important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Atlanta Public Schools Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a 2016 black Ford Explorer SUV with license tag RVL5658. On September 27, 2023, Adisha Kasanti Little, a 13-year-old black female, 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds, was abducted by Emmanuel Paul Williams, a 16-year-old black male, and was last seen on Donald Lee Hollowell and Hollywood Road. Adisha Kasanti Little is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Adisha Kasanti Little or the 2016 black Ford Explorer SUV with license tag RVL5658, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and or the C/NDAP for iPhone and Android users.